Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I'm going to attempt to use MarvinSketch to sketch the conjugate base of this compound. It says in the problem that the following compounds can lose a proton from a positively charged oxygen with 3 bonds to give a conjugate base requiring a neutral oxygen with 2 bonds. My guess is that this interacts with water. The hydrogen is lost to the water to make a hydronium, and then you just have 2 pair of electrons here. Perhaps, okay, so only the proton would be leaving. The electron that is associated with this would stay. So I'm going to try to draw this aldehyde molecule and then submit it and see if that gives the correct answer. So I'm kind of taking a chance on this. Marvin is just not incredibly intuitive to me, but let's roll with it. Okay, I've got a C on the screen already. Okay, can I put a C here? Yes. And then can I do a single bond and drag it maybe to here? And then I want to do a double bonded oxygen here. So let's go to, I did not mean to do that. Undo. I want a double bond oxygen. You know what, I'm afraid it's going to change that C. Let's just put the double bond here. That'll work. And then let's use this to move it to the configuration we want. And then I want to change the C to an O. So I'm going to stay. Okay, that probably was not necessary. Okay, there we go. And then I just need a hydrogen hanging off down here. I don't need an oxygen. That's fine. Let's go. Stop. Okay, now let's go. I want to change this to a hydrogen. No, no, no. I want to change this. No. Okay, let's see if I can undo one more time and just click here and get, thank you, get the hydrogen there, and then let's click 1, 2, 3. That gives me the methyl group, hydrogen. This could be cleaned up a little bit, maybe a little bit. I don't know. Maybe that's not. It may not be an issue. So the idea that I've got is if these are 2 electrons here and the hydrogen's lost to a water to make a hydronium, then you would have 2 pair of electrons. And I think this is the answer, so I'm going to click submit, and that is correct. Bammo. Draw the Lewis structure for the conjugate base of the following compound. Thank you.